All right, guys. I've got these Clazzio seat cover headrests, right? Out of all the installation, to me, this was the pain. But I'm gonna try and show you an easier way. The 10s go up front, the 20s go to the back. I'm doing this one. So what I do is he's got these little triangle flaps. That's what I try and pull on, right? And then you've got this front flap that's a plastic channel right here that you put the back flap with the plastic bar, I guess. When it's on, you tuck it up under that channel. All right, so what I do here is I'm gonna fold the piece with the plastic channel. I'm gonna fold that up a little bit, take my triangle flaps out, right, and then you're gonna just kind of, it's still a pain, guys, but it's there, it's doable. I'll try to zoom in, but I guess I can't. All right, you see how I just pushed it on? I just kind of went full force, evened it out, pushed it on. Now it's on there. Now it's just going around, grabbing up, putting your finger up under the lip of the leather and all the angles around the headrest and just kind of pulling it down a little bit at a time. Now, I'm not gonna say it's not a pain because it's still a pain, but I'm doing it. So you can see I got this one on. I don't know, I got these other ones. This is my last one. Actually, no, I got this middle one here. But yeah. So, all I'm doing is I'm just a little bit at a time. I'm pulling on the triangle flaps at the same time I'm putting my fingers up under the leather and pulling down. You want to do this while the headrest is on the seat, and then once you get it on like this, just kind of straighten the leather out a little bit, all right, and then you want to take it off, and then you untuck the channel that we folded. Just kind of pull on it, just pull nice and tight around, make sure it's all snugged up. You want to put your triangle pieces, you want to tuck them in, all right, and then this plastic bar you're going to tuck up under the channel. And that's another chore in itself. mean, these are damn near replacement seat covers. These are great. Clazzio did a good job for sure on these. And no, they're not sponsoring me or nothing like that. These are good seat covers. I don't know why it took me this long to buy some, but I almost went with cat skin, but I wanted to try these first. Like I said, getting this in is a pain too, so. Let's see here. I'll get over here and show you guys what I'm doing here. Yeah, just gotta trying here. It's a pain too, guys. Shit. This one was a little harder than the rest on this. Getting it in. See, you just snug it up in that channel, and voila. Then just kind of straighten your triangle flaps out a little bit. See how that is? That one's flat. You just gotta kind of straighten it out. Tuck it up under there. Like so. Voila, it's on. Yeah, it's a pain, guys, but doable for sure. All right, now I'm gonna get on this middle one here. Where's my finger? Right there. Long way, Dumas. All right, now here we go. Again, channel to the front, flap to the back, triangles out. I'm going to fold the front channel up. Now, this is a weird one because it's small and long, so we're going to see how this goes. It's kind of weird. Okay. So I put it in the back and just kind of bring it forward a bit. Now, from my understanding, this is like a rubberized type of material that goes back and forms to its original. Oh man. So worry about stretching it or nothing. Well, it'll probably help better if you're up a little bit. There you go. Get my finger out. All right. Pain. All right. It definitely takes some muscle. I got that one on. Come on, real quick. All right. So yeah, got that one. Alright, now it's time to put the channel in. Put the bar on the channel. So the whole install took me, I want to say, probably 3 hours, 2.5, 3 hours for the seats. And then I was trying to get these headrests last night, but it just wasn't happening. So gave it a little bit of time, and this morning I came out and got her done. So tell you what though, these are some damn good seat covers, and I'm very satisfied with them so far. Mind you, I've only had them in my truck, you know, not even 24 hours, but I definitely like them. We'll see how long they last. From the reviews and everything on from what I've seen and YouTube, you know, there's not many videos on YouTube about these headrests though, but they all said good. That's what I was getting to. But these headrests are a pain. I mean, at least they were with me. All right, there wasn't many videos on how to get these things on. And I mean, it's always best with two hands, but my wife and I tried last night and it just wouldn't work. So this morning I got them done. They're done. Clazzio seat covers, man. Good product.